Hi, Hunny Bunny. Hi, honey. What's this? What color is this balloon?
Blue.
Blue. Where's the red balloon? Can you show me the red balloon, Bunny? Where is it? Wow. Pick the red one. Get the red balloon. And what color is this? What color is this balloon?
Purple.
It's purple. Wow, yeah. And what color is this?
Pink.
Pink balloon. And what color is this balloon?
Orange.
Orange.
Mama,
What's this? What's this?
red.
What is this?
Red. Zebra.
Zebra. And what is this? What is this?
Tiger.
It's not tiger, it's lion. What is this?
Dog.
Wow. And what is this?
Zebra.
Zebra.
Yeah.
What is this? Elephant. You're smart. And this is lion. What is this? Monkey. You're a smart boy. And how does lion says ha? And elephant says oh.
Bye, bunny.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Mama.
Bye bye.